Here is a wonderful bread that I lost 2 inches off my waist and 10 pounds in 1 week. And you can make this and do it too.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, if you want to lose a couple inches off your weight, couple notches on your belt, you want to lose 10 pounds really quick, I highly recommend this wonderful bread. One of my favorite things. And I'm telling you, I lost 10 pounds in a quick week and two notches on my belt. So you can do that too. But before I get into that, check this out. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please watch those little ads. I appreciate that greatly. Please share with other people. And also, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach another 3,000-4,000 people to subscribe by the end of the year. And I would love to have you help me. Also, get a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. 3 out of 5 of you are coming down with cancer now. Not good. There's some simple things that you can do. You can actually help prevent that in a big way. You just Google Live a Cancer-Free Life. And I've had a lot of people have some wonderful comments on Amazon as an amazing rating. And people just love it. Some people said, this is my second Bible now. One people said, this is a quick read and should be around all the time. I even have people call me and say, wow, this is a great book. So I hope you'll get a copy and read it. It's a short read and will do your body good. Well, this is a really healthy and tasty bread that you can make really quick. I mean, I make it every week. And it really is wonderful stuff. First of all, it's made out of wonderful buckwheat. Buckwheat is just amazing. I have buckwheat groats here, and then I grind them, make my own flour on this particular one. And buckwheat is amazing. It's high in protein, 18% protein, low in calories, half the carbs of regular, flour. Also, really amazing as far as lots of nutrients and helps you to have lots of energy also. Another one that's in this is sorghum. Sorghum flour. I buy this at 25-pound bag. Sorghum is underutilized in the United States. Has lots and lots of antioxidants. More antioxidants than blueberries and pomegranates. Just amazing stuff. It goes way back in India. They've been using it for thousands of years, and lots of fiber also. I love sorghum flour. It's just amazing. And also, I use some gluten-free, or you could use some whole wheat flour also. But I used 2 cups of each. 2 cups of buckwheat flour, 2 cups of the sorghum flour, 2 cups of the gluten-free or, whole wheat flour or whatever you like, and just a little bit of pinch of salt, a little bit of baking powder, a little bit of baking soda, and I like to put a little stevia in there, but you could put a little bit of honey also. Add a little bit of water just to make it a little bit like a stiff dough. Or batter. It's still sticky, and start making that into a little bit bigger than golf ball size pieces, and then powder it on the outside with the gluten-free flour, and then make it flat. Pretty simple, and put it on a griddle, brown it on one side, brown it on the other. This is really great stuff. My favorite way to eat this is to get peanut butter powder and mix a little water with that, and just enough to make it in like peanut butter, and put that on the top of this, and really great. It has a wonderful nutty flavor all by itself. I love buckwheat in general, and this will keep you from eating other things that will pack on the pounds, and this doesn't pack on the pounds. There's no doubt about it. I would eat this 3 or 4 times a day, and with the peanut butter powder, you're hardly getting any fat and lots of protein. So that's really great too. And so you can use other things on there if you like. But this is an amazing bread that will do your body good. So to recap that, 2 cups of buckwheat flour, 2 cups of sorghum flour, 2 cups of any kind of flour. I use gluten-free flour. A teaspoon of any kind of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a little bit of salt. And I like to put a little stevia, but I put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of stevia in there, stevia powder. Or you could use like a tablespoon or 2 of honey. That would work also. Any kind of sweetener, maybe coconut sugar, whatever you like. And mix that up with a little bit of water, just enough to make a very stiff dough. Roll it into balls, flatten it out, put it on your griddle, and brown it on both sides. That's it. There's nothing more to it. I'll put the recipe down below, and you can check it out. I hope you make this. It will make you lose weight. There's no doubt about it. It's really great. I make it into these little, 3-4 inch pieces. Really good. I can't resist. And you won't be able to either. And it will help you lose weight for sure. But of course, you still have to eat right and exercise, and I exercise a lot. And you will make you feel great. If you have any chronic conditions going on, maybe you have diabetes, maybe you have lupus, maybe you have MS, maybe you have, arthritis, maybe rheumatoid arthritis, all kinds of different things, cystic acne, and we can make those go away for sure. There's no reason to be suffering. And it's coming into the holiday season. We can get you on the train of really feeling great. I have a ton of people coming to me with cancer right now. Also, I have a lot of people with, spondylosis, spondylitis, that type of thing too. And we can make that pain go away for sure. And so if you have chronic pain all the time, there's no reason to suffer. I had terrible arthritis for 30 plus years, and I am pain free now. So give me a call at 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119. And here's to really enjoying losing those 10 pounds. Have a great day. Remember a couple things. Remember God, and remember, I love you.